In the previous video, we showed a way to add fields to the search view, right? So we went to contacts and we created some filters here. We created the vendors and customers filters. If you haven't watched this video, I'm gonna leave a link so that you go ahead and check how you can add these filters to the search views, which are very useful. So in this case, let me switch to this list view, and I want to see also here which contact is a customer and which contact is a vendor, right? So that's what we did in the previous video. We added a custom field to show which of these contacts are customers and which ones are vendors. So I want to see that information here, and even though we added it here in the search view, it's not available in this list view. So let's add this new custom field. Let me go to Studio, and first I want to show you actually the form view. So let me open the views and then form view. And here is where we added this custom field, customer type. So it is a custom field that we added with Studio. And again, you can watch the previous video. But in this case, we will go to the list view, right? So it is not reachable. Actually, it is here, down here, the list view. So what we want to do is we want to add that custom field that we created. So we scroll down to the existing fields because this field is already there in the database. It's not that I'm going to create a new field. It's already there. So let me look for it. I'm going to type contact, and it is here. This is the selection field that we created in the previous video. So I'm just gonna drag and drop this field, and I'm gonna put it here in the list view, probably after the email. I'm gonna drop it here. So here now we have this column, which might be very useful for our employees in the company. So we know here who is a vendor, who is a customer, and so on. And I'm going to show you another really good trick here. For instance, if we want to change or we want to assign a lot of the contacts as vendors, for instance, or as customers, we can do it very easily. For instance, I have here a bunch of contacts from Azure Interior. So I'm going to select all of these, and I'm going to click here in the vendor word, and then I will have the values of my custom field here, and I'm going to say this is a vendor, and this will change all of them at the same time. Well, in this case it's not changing because the field is already a vendor, but if I come here, it will say, are you sure you want to perform the following update on the 5 records? So I say yes, and then all of them are updated at once. This is very useful. So for instance, Deco Addict might be another vendor, probably, and actually this contact is also another vendor. So I'm just going to click here and select vendor, and then all of them are vendors. And probably now I want to find my customers. This contact might be a customer. Maybe here I have a customer. This one might be another customer. Probably Openwood and Pizza Inn and Ready Mat. No, Ready Mat's a vendor actually. So yeah, let's just do the same. I select customer here, and now all of these are customers, and we are just populating the information here. And again, the filter keeps working. If I want to find the vendors, there you go. Or if I want to find the customers, there you go. Of course, if I select both of them, then I can see customers and vendors. I won't be able to see all the contacts because some contacts don't have anything here in this field, right? If I unselect this, I will find contacts here. For instance, this demo company doesn't have any value here. So if I click both of them, I won't be able to see that demo company because demo company is not either a vendor nor a customer.